Hello and welcome to the tutorial on the blended course changes to the semester schedule. In this video, we will first define what a blended course is, show you how to recognize a blended course from the schedule posted on the Alexander College website, and answer some questions you may have about how the new blended course format may affect your registration planning. How is a blended course different from the online and virtual courses? Blended courses are different from the online and virtual course types. A virtual course is considered synchronous. This means that students must attend mandatory lecture periods on Zoom to attend their course. An online course is considered asynchronous. This means that the course does not have any mandatory lecture component that requires attendance at a set weekly time. A blended course section is made up of two groups. Each group will attend class both virtually through a MyAC Zoom lecture and in person by attending at a campus classroom. Each group will be assigned specific virtual attendance days and specific in-person attendance days. This way we can make sure that students can experience the benefits of a classroom setting, such as meeting their peers in person, being able to speak with their professor directly, and other benefits, while also maintaining safe distancing protocols. Here we have an example of blended course groups. On the semester schedule, we can find SOCI 220A. SOCI 220A has two groups. Group 1 will have a virtual lecture on Zoom on Tuesdays and will be attending class on campus on Thursdays by going to the Alexander College Burnaby campus, noted here as ACB. Group 2 will have class in person on campus on Tuesdays and will need to attend classes virtually on Thursdays. How to identify a blended course. Now that you know how blended course groups work, we will show you how to see if the course you want to take is blended. If you are using the semester schedule, you can check the column labeled Delivery Method on the semester schedule. This column will list if a course is virtual, online, or blended. If the course says blended, it will use the blended course delivery method. To check which groups are offered for the blended course, find the next column, Groups, and locate the options for the course. Next to each group, it will show which day your group will be on campus and which day you will need to attend the course virtually. If the course says virtual, you will need to attend using Zoom. If the course lists a campus labeled as ACB for Burnaby and Vancouver for the Vancouver campus, you will need to attend the course in person. The room number for your course will be listed next to the campus. The course schedule offered for each group will be shown next, listing the dates and times that you need to access the course. Questions about blended course groups. Now that we have shown you how to identify a course, we will address some questions you may have about blended course groups. Question 1. Can I register a blended course if I cannot attend in-person classes? At this time, if you are planning to enroll in a blended course, you will need to have arrived in Canada so that you can attend both the Zoom and in-person attendance sessions. If you have not yet arrived in Canada, our office advises enrolling in a course section with the delivery method online or the delivery method virtual. Question 2. Do all of my courses need to be blended if I register for a blended course? Students may enroll in a variety of courses. Taking a blended course does not limit you to only enrolling in a course of that delivery type. There are also not limitations at this time regarding students who are in Canada enrolling in our virtual or online course types. Question 3. Can I swap scheduled times or days from a Group 1 course to a Group 2 course, or pick my own group times? At present, students must enroll in all scheduled times and days for the group they have selected, and must attend in accordance with the listed attendance requirement, either on Zoom or on campus. Finally, who can I contact with questions on blended courses? For all inquiries related to blended courses, reading the course schedule, and general course registration questions, please contact registration@alexandercollege.ca, and one of our officers will be happy to assist you. Thank you for choosing Alexander College.